Hello dear students. Now we are going to see the method of construction of ellipse using arcs of circle method when the major axis is given as 100 millimeter. Major axis is equal to 100 millimeter and minor axis is equal to 70 millimeter. When major axis is equal to 100 millimeter and minor axis is equal to 70 millimeter, how to construct an ellipse? Listen carefully. So, for construction of ellipse using arcs of circle method, what we need, say AB is the major axis and F1 and F2. F1 and F2 are the distance between focus, or these are the focus. So we need these things, the position of end of the major axis and the position of F1 and F2. We need these two things for construction of this ellipse using arcs of circle method. So, but this is not given in our problem. So, what we can do? Your first step, major axis कितना दिया है? It is 100 millimeter. Take AB distance as 100 millimeter. Take AB 100 millimeter and draw it. Mark point A and mark point B. Then take midpoint of AB. Take midpoint of AB and draw one vertical line through that. Minor axis is given 70 millimeter. Half of that distance is 35 millimeter. From this point, mark 2 points, 35 millimeter above and below it. Let these points are point C and point D. So here in ellipse, you have to, a relation is there which you need to remember permanently. And what is that relation? Let the point center point is point O, then distance AO is always equal to F1C. So AO is equal to obviously OB and F1C is equal to CF2 equal to F2D equal to F1D. All these distances are same. So you have to remember this relation, AO is equal to F1C. You don't know the position of this F1 and F2 previously, that we need to find. So to do that, what is required? Take AO in your compass. From C as a center, cut AB at these two places. AO as a radius in your compass, from C, cut here and cut here. You will get point F1 and F2, which are very important for this arcs of circle method of construction of ellipse. Then next step. In the next step, from F1, mark 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Small distance, equidistance point you can mark. पहला आर्क यहाँ पे कट किया है, O point से अगला आर्क. In this way, mark 3-4 points. From F2, same thing. You have to cut arc this side. So I think no need to do that also. Only this is sufficient. Let these points are 1, 2, 3, and 4. The next step, which is very important step, crucial step, remember that first of all you have to take A1 in your compass. You have to take A यहाँ पे है, 1 यहाँ पे, A1 in compass. From F1, cut 2 arcs above and below that. From F2, repeat the same procedure. The next step, take B1 distance in your compass. यहाँ पे B है, 1 यहाँ पे है. B1 distance in your compass. From F1, cut the arc at these two sides. From F2 as a center, cut the arc at the left side. You have to repeat the same procedure for point 2, 3, and 4. After this, A1, B1 take A to distance in compass, A to distance in compass from point F1. You have to draw two arcs above. From F2, you have to draw these two arcs. फर्स्टली F1 से दो आर्क ऊपर और नीचे, देन F2 से आर्क ऊपर और नीचे. इन द सेम वे टेक B2 डिस्टेंस इन योर कंपास. यहाँ पे है B, यहाँ पे है 2, B2 डिस्टेंस इन योर कंपास फ्रॉम F1. कट द आर्क एट द राइट साइड, जो अभी अभी ड्रॉ किए थे. फ्रॉम F2 कट द आर्क एट द लेफ्ट साइड. F2 एज द सेंटर, कट द आर्क एट द लेफ्ट साइड. You have to repeat the same procedure for further points 3 as well as 4. So these 2 points will get here. Again these 2 points you will get here. Similarly here also. Actually these points should pass through point this C and this D. So finally, to draw ellipse, you have to join all these points. You have to join all these points through C, B, D and A. You have to draw one curve. You can draw this curve either freehand or using French curve. So in this way we can construct ellipse. This is the arcs of circle method of construction of ellipse.